It can be anything. What do you want to get better at? What do you want to get better at doing?
Playing that new moved game, like you have to get those piggies on the last level because it's hard.
So that means you need to learn how to focus.
I know, but
and concentrate.
At the last I beat
Focus and concentrate, right?
2
Okay,
levels.
so Max, what are you going to do to get better?
Concentrate.
Okay, what does that mean? What does concentrate mean?
I have to listen to you guys.
Yeah, you gotta listen to us, of course. But for your goal, when you're practicing your goal, what do you gotta concentrate on?
The stuff that I do.
Yeah. So whenever you're doing something, concentrating means. Oh, Max, let it go.
Okay.
Let it go. Concentrating means watching carefully, listening to what's happening, and not being distracted by other things around you. You got to focus right on what you're doing. So ready, Max? I want to see how well you can focus. Here's what you got to do. Are you ready? Okay. This is your last test. Oh, no. You can't. Let it go. Here's what you got to do. For 10 seconds, I need you to stare straight at me without moving, without doing anything else. Stare. It's going to be really hard. You're going to want to laugh, though. Okay? So, do you think you can do that? If you look away, that means you lost your concentration. I want to see if you can look right.
I have to look straight the entire time with my eyes.
10 seconds. Are you ready? Begin. Let's see. It'll make you laugh. But don't laugh. Don't look away at it. Let's see. You can blink, that's okay. There you go. See, that wasn't too bad. So when you're doing something, you have to look straight at it and focus on that. If you look away and start playing with your belt or messing with other things, that means you lost your concentration. Okay? Oh, don't do that right now. I'll let you think about this on your own time. So you gotta concentrate to do that, okay? Okay, Max? So what do you think concentrate means?
That I have to look what you guys are doing and do it.
Ready? Do you have to listen? Do you have to watch closely? Do you have to look at other things around you?
No.
Oh, do you have to play with other things and mess with stuff that you see? Concentrate on what we're doing. Okay? All right, good.
I'm taking my bell now.
Okay. Hey.